Alright, we're over here in Seminole. And this is at 74th Avenue North. And we can see here, as soon as I go through the clean out, there's a root intrusion that's about a foot. Another root intrusion. This appears to be a clay pipe here. Another root intrusion. Problem with these clay pipes is this is a notorious issue where it keeps having root intrusions at all these intersections here. It's probably going to be another piece of roots. I'm just going to keep pushing. It gave me a lot of resistance there. Another piece of roots. So yeah, at this point, with all the different root intrusion sections here, I would recommend just going ahead and getting it replaced. Well, that's a PVC spot right here. Back to clay. We got some more root intrusion here again. More roots. A little bit more root intrusion there again. Looks like another clean out coming in from the top, as it should. It's been a couple sections since I've seen any root intrusion, but we're currently 123 feet out. So the majority of the bigger root problems are going to be more in the front half, but since it is clay, we will have some root growth. You can see some more root growth coming in here. So yeah, I would just go ahead and replace this whole run. It's starting to get a little difficult to push my camera at this point, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. Alright, so I do have the camera pushed out as far as I can manually push it. I'm going to go ahead and pull the camera back. Some more roots. I'm going to try to get us to where the one of the clean outs were. See more roots there. See if I can locate that clean out. So that would be a combo. We need to mark this one out. Alright, I've got this located. That is a tie-in for a pickup. This looks like another tie-in that's shortly after that. But since it's so close to the location of, they should run into it. I don't see any other tie-ins. And we're back at the cleanout. This will conclude the video. Thanks for watching.